hand sanitizer and Clorox wipes and disinfectant spray.
As the city begins to reopen, we're taking extra precautions to keep city buildings clean for visitors and staff.
If we have to put a little extra, it's okay, because we are, taking care of us and everybody else around.
We started cleaning as soon as the governor, issued the stay-at-home orders, and we're going to keep on doing it.
When the public visits City Hall and other city facilities moving forward, visitors can be assured they're cleaner than ever. Cleaning is now more intense and more frequent.
Our custodians have been doing a great job cleaning City Hall and keeping the common area as well as the employees' area safe.
Every morning we use an electronic disinfectant spray gun to clean City Hall.
We want to make sure everything is clean and everything is disinfectant, because I know a lot of people here, they wash their hands, they take their precautions.
The city's purchasing department is busy buying cleaning products and hand sanitizer to keep employees and the public safe. Staff is also helping custodians by disinfecting high touch points throughout the day.
When we were sourcing and procuring all this sanitizer and disinfectant spray, we were like, how else can we help our custodians in that effort? What else can we do to help? And so we just grabbed a bottle of sanitizer and a rag and went to work.
And overnight cleaning crews have ramped up their protocols to include infection prevention cleaning to disinfect all areas.
Always on the top, because we have night crew, and then we in the morning even if we know they clean, we go back and clean it again.
Frisco is working hard to reopen safely. Find more information at friscotexas.gov and click on Open Frisco, Open Texas. There you'll find the latest about COVID-19.